Hey, what's up guys? Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com. All right, I'm gonna show you the best exercise you can do at home to build your chest. So if you're looking for one exercise, all you need is a couple dumbbells and you can do this at home. You're gonna get tremendous results. It's basically based on Isometrics, all right? Similar to my TriCon Training. Isometrics are going to fill your chest full of blood, lactic acid, and also growth hormone, which is what you want if you're really wanting to build that chest. All right, so basically what we're gonna do, it's one exercise, but you're gonna be doing it as a triplex. So there's 3 variations that I'm gonna show you. So let's get started with this. I'm using light dumbbells, we'll go with 20s. All right, doesn't take a whole lot of weight. Basically what we're gonna do, again, you're gonna have an isometric focus through all of this. So you're really gonna be getting all of that chest blood flow going on, so you're gonna get a really good pump. All right, first thing we're gonna do is go from here to a chest fly. And at the top of the fly, you're gonna do a isometric hold. Squeeze this together as hard as possible and keep it squeezed and go straight into a chest press. Again, continue to squeeze, 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 squeeze. Press as high as you can, and then a pullover. That is 1 rep, okay? You're shooting for 8 to 10 of these. Good stretch. Squeeze together, constant squeeze. 2 reps. Again, just make sure you are squeezing as hard as possible with all 3 of these, okay? This will be 4, squeeze it, constant, isometric press. Let's go 3 more. Cool thing about this is it's not gonna take a lot of time. It's a quick workout. Basically what you're gonna do, I wanna show you 1 set. You're gonna wanna do 3 to 5, depending on your current conditioning strength levels. And you'll rest 90 seconds in between each set. So a very quick workout, but very effective workout. Goal here, as with all that I do, is mind-muscle connection. So really focus on keeping that chest contracted while you're doing all of these. Let's go 1 more. Good stretch. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze as hard as possible. And finish it off with your pullover. And that is it. So, as you can see, not a lot to it, but very effective and very efficient. Gonna take very little time to get a tremendous workout. Again, just wanna reiterate 3 to 5 sets. Basically, I did 1, I would rest 60 to 90 seconds, do set number 2, rest 60 to 90, do set number 3. And if you are more advanced, more conditioned, like I said, you can do 5 sets. But you will get tremendous results, all right? You're working your entire chest. Lower chest, mid chest, upper chest, inner chest, just by doing this 1 triplex. So give it a shot, man. Let me know what you think. Comment below if you have any questions about anything here or need some clarification on anything. Just comment, let me know, we'll get back to you. Also guys, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. And one other point I would like to say, we're giving away a free report. Actually, it's a free workout, Ripped After 40 workout. So go to the description box, click on the link to get your free Ripped After 40 report. It's a tremendous workout based on my Ripped After 40 program. So my Ripped After 40 program, if you haven't already tried it out, it's a tremendous program filled with tons of exercises. It's a 16-week comprehensive program. Carb cycling, cardio workouts, strength training workouts, everything you need to get ripped after 40. So it's a done for you program. follow it. It's a blueprint to get you ripped. So if you want that free workout, like I said, just go to the link, click on it, and pick that up. And guys, that's all I got. Get busy, get after it. God bless.